This video is sponsored by Wondershare. These days, a lot of people switch to iPhone from an Android device, and the biggest problem faced by them is about losing their WhatsApp chats, messages and medias. Even if you're having a proper WhatsApp storage backup or Google Drive backup, doesn't matter because you cannot restore that on your iPhone because iOS only supports restoring messages which are backed up on iCloud. So today I'm gonna give you a great solution for it, and trust me, after watching this video, it's gonna be just few clicks process for migrating your WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone or from Android to another Android. So with that being said, what's up guys, Divyansh here, and now without any further delay, let's enter the video. So there is a great tool named Dr. Phone, and it's by Wondershare, and you can download it from the link given below in the video's description. And the best thing is that it's available for Mac as well as for Windows, and this is such a powerful tool with a lot of features. So after downloading and installing Dr. Phone, when you will open the software, first click on WhatsApp transfer, and after that you will see 4 options that will be about transfer WhatsApp messages, backup WhatsApp messages, restoring at iOS device, and lastly restoring at Android device. Also, using the software is pretty easy, and since we are talking about Android to iOS migration, so for this you need to click on transfer WhatsApp message option, and then you will see 2 devices, and now you need to connect your source mobile from which you want to transfer the messages using a data cable, and then connect the destination mobile phone in which you want the transfer to take place using a data cable. After that, it will automatically recognize both the device, and you can flip the source and destination too by pressing the flip button. When you will connect your phone, you need to accept the permission of USB transmission in your mobile phone. Basically, it is asked in iPhone for this, and in Android you need to turn on USB debugging, and it arrives automatically as you plug in your mobile using a data cable. Now once the devices are recognized, and when it will show connected status in both of the phones, just press the transfer button and it will start transferring the WhatsApp data including messages, medias, documents from the source phone to the destination phone. Now you just need to finish the transmission, and it is an automated process, and it hardly takes 5 to 15 minutes depending upon the total WhatsApp storage you are having on your source phone. And once it's done, you will see a pop-up like this, and then your iPhone restore is completed, and that's all. So guys, this is how simple it is to migrate WhatsApp from an Android phone to another Android or from Android to an iPhone. And I hope you all have enjoyed this video a lot, and guys, make sure to do follow me on Instagram @techparadise_ for future updates and for exclusive giveaways. And if you're having any question in your mind regarding this WhatsApp migration, then please put a comment below in the comment section. And if you like this video, then drop a like, subscribe to this channel, and take care of yourself and stay safe from Corona. I am Divyansh, and I'll catch you in the next one.